There are those who would say that the story which follows could happen only in a dream. Regardless of where it could happen, this is the way it did happen.
I'm breaking loose, breaking loose. I'm breaking loose, honey, I'm breaking loose. Well, I'm breaking loose, running free. The open road keeps calling me. And my soul is restless and my feet just can't be still. Well, I don't know where I'm bound, but I know I'm bound to ramble around and taste of this old life until I've had my fill. Well, ain't no telling where tomorrow's gonna find me. Maybe riding some old boxcar or sleeping out in the rain. I might strike it rich and...
We are now doing the warm-up section. When we get to the hard stuff, you will notice that it is fast-paced. Don't be concerned with following me exactly at first. Remember, have fun.
California.